Help me.
Okay.
Did I mess it up? I didn't. Oh,
It's okay, it's okay. Well, yeah, you did screw it up.
there we go. Welcome to Meals from Memory, the show where we ask the best chefs we know their go-to can't-miss weeknight meals. Alex, what are we cooking today?
Today, it's time to get wine drunk.
I thought we were cooking.
Well, first we're gonna get wine drunk, and then we're gonna make wine drunk short ribs. And some mash and cheese. First off, wine.
Ooh.
A very important ingredient. And we have this beautiful package of short ribs.
How do you choose the perfect cut?
I just go to the butcher shop and say, give me your best cut.
I'm obsessed with your book.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
It is so playful and real. Let's try it. How many carrots are we getting in there?
Oh God, no, this is a quiz? I'd say like, this must be two, maybe a large one or two.
2 medium carrots.
Okay, good. Some peppercorns. Got some thyme, rosemary, and bay leaf.
And then we're doing half a cup
of soy sauce, which will bring out that really nice, meaty umami flavor you want in a short rib.
Can't forget the wine.
We won't forget the wine. Now, the sad part about this recipe is that we use the whole bottle of wine for the marinade. Usually I would save a glass to drink, but it's too late now. All right, now we're gonna marinate the short ribs. Wow, would you take a bath in wine?
I would.
I would too.
That feels very regal.
Look how beautiful these are, first off. You definitely want some good marbling. That's like the fat throughout the meat. Short ribs, they're a bit of like a tougher cut. That's why you want to prepare them correctly, and that means they're really long and slow braised. Of course, this recipe is not the fastest.
But it's worth it.
But it's worth it. And now we're gonna marinate. So I'm gonna shut up. There we go. We're gonna put them in the wine. You can do at least 2 hours, but what I like to do is do it overnight.
So I should crack open a bottle of wine while we wait.
We could do that. And look at here. A beautiful bottle of wine. And look, they gave us a screw top this time.
They did not trust us with a corkscrew.
And now we wait.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So these have been marinating.
They have. So a few tips for a sear. Again, this is really simple. You just gotta break it down. We want a dry surface. Get some good oil. See, it's already smoking. We know it's hot in there. So now I'm just gonna put the short ribs down and ooh, hear that? That's a good sound. We want that sizzle. We're not cooking the short ribs through. We're just trying to get that browning, that Maillard reaction on the surface of the meat. And this will just add to the flavor of the dish later on.
So we're gonna make the rest of this in the dream cooker.
She's like, we gotta speed this up. Let's cut this down. We don't wanna lose all those brown, delicious bits and some of that fat in there. We're gonna do a little bit of flour.
No clumps.
No clumps, yeah, exactly. We are going to pour in our delicious marinade. I told you we weren't wasting it.
Step back here.
Step back. You're in the splash zone.
Some beef stock.
There you go, put that in. And then we're gonna put our short ribs back in here. And this is how they're going to stew and braise, and that fat is gonna break down so it's not gonna be as tough. Pop the lid on. This is magic, guys. All right, we've got some potatoes. We've cubed these up. That will just make for a quicker cook. Okay, and lots of salt. Woo! There they are. They are strained, they are soft, and we're ready to mash. What do you like?
I like a buttery, creamy, cheesy mash.
Likewise. So we're gonna start with the roux part. So it's butter and flour. We'll also do the mustard powder. And you just wanna whisk it so it's smooth. We're gonna take it a step farther and make a bechamel, which is gonna have the milk. Now that we have this beautiful bechamel, we're gonna add some cheese to it gradually so it melts down in, again, a smooth sauce. And so we're using a mixture of cheddar and Gruyere. Those are some of my favorites. The cheddar, of course, is a classic for mac and cheese, and the Gruyere gives a great tangy bite.
Give us a cheese pull, Alex.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And now we can add it to our potatoes. Wow, look at that.
Very good.
So good. And we're gonna put the short ribs over that. Heaven, right? Heaven. A mash made in heaven. There we go.
You guys, that's the sound of the short ribs being ready.
Oh my God.
Voila.
Wow. Look at our short rib.
Where's the bone?
Is the bone on there?
There's no bone. There is,
Maybe the bone already fell off.
there's fall off bone. This is fell off bone.
This already fell off
It is
bone.
so soft.
And now we straighten it off.
Do you ever just like close your eyes so you can
Yeah.
tune out the other senses and just
Tune
focus
out
on
the
the
noise.
flavor?
Yes.
Just like, you know, that's how good this is.
I do know.
Alex, thank you for being here. I love how delicious this is, but I also just love how much fun you are.
Oh.
And how much fun you have while cooking, because that's what
Thank
it's
you.
about.
It is about that. And I love how much joy you've brought into everyone's kitchen with all the color. I feel like we really align in that message. More color, more flavor, more togetherness,
More joy,
more
food.
delicious food.
Cheers.
Cheers.
If you loved this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a recipe. Let us know in the comments what dish you make from memory, and join us next week for another delicious story.